Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and I love pumpkin anything.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is making my recipe for pumpkin cheesecake, no oven required. First up, let's bloom the gelatin. This adds stability, so the cheesecake can be as pumpkin-y as possible. The graham crackers should look just like flour. A measuring cup is my favorite tool for an even crust. Stick that in the freezer while we make the cheesecake. Make sure the cream cheese is at room temperature so it blends smoothly. We're using a whole can of pumpkin puree. Isn't that color so pretty? Tapping on the counter gets rid of any air bubbles. Now, we just need to let it chill. Loosen the sides to encourage the cheesecake out of the pan. Serve it super cold. And that's pumpkin cheesecake in 5 ingredients. Let's eat.